Hello, in front of me I've got Dark Project 1 keyboard. In this video I'll tell you what kind of switches this keyboard has. When we remove key of the keyboard, we can find the switch. This keyboard is equipped with G3MS sapphire linear switches with 50 grams actuation force, 2 mm actuation travel, 4 mm total travel, rated for 50 million key presses, factory looped and smooth quiet feel. These are not hot swappable because they are soldered to keyboard motherboard. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.